as the early adopters share their technology with their friends, neighbors, family, whoever sees it, that generally causes it to propagate. And then you start moving more into a mainstream market where more and more people get excited about it, they want it. I can tell you I've had this experience myself in my own home. I have a Blu-ray player connected to my new plasma, and anybody I show it to gets excited and say, I want that. The point now, we're only about 18 months into the life of Blu-ray, and about halfway to the point where DVD was when it hit the mainstream market. So it won't be long before we start seeing it take off like DVD did. We think that most people, when they buy a movie player, are buying it because they want to watch movies on it. And so any Blu-ray player that has ever been released is capable of playing back movies exactly as they were intended to be seen by the director. So you put the disc in the player, you hit play, you sit back and you're watching a wonderful presentation of a movie in high def. And frankly, I don't think consumers really need to know about profiles. I can't imagine someone walking into a Best Buy and saying, I need to see a profile 1.1 player, please. I don't want people saying that. I'd rather have them looking at the player and seeing what features it has and buying based on what it presents to them. If they're excited about high definition content, then they should not hesitate to buy a Blu-ray player today. The very best picture you can get today on your TV in a DVD-like form. Well, Pioneer, from the very beginning of our home electronics business, has always been about the quality of the presentation of the program. And you can see that reflected in our elite player lineup. We've had 3 models actually that we've shipped to date, the latest being the BDP95FD, but all of them have done very well in the marketplace and have gotten good reviews because they are seen as having the best picture. You know, we're in the TV business. We make plasma TVs. In all the years we've been doing that, we've never once had someone say that the reason they bought that TV was so they can interact with it. They bought the TV because they wanted to be able to have that same experience they have in the movie theater, which is they want to be completely immersed by the movie, by the story.